Cleaning windows manually is risky and time-consuming, but the right robot can do it faster and safer. Please watch this video till the end because today I'm revealing the top 5 best window cleaning robots in 2026, and by the end, you'll know exactly which one is the best for your money. Whether you live in an apartment, high-rise, or house with large glass panels, this list is carefully researched to help you choose the right window cleaning robot without confusion. I'll cover real cleaning performance, suction power, smart features, and the biggest advantages of each model. Let's start the countdown from number 5. You'll find the latest prices and best deals linked in the description below. Feel free to check them out. Number 5. FMART W8 Mini. The FMART W8 Mini is a compact yet powerful window cleaning robot featuring an impressive 8,000 pascals suction power. It includes a 4-way ultrasonic spray system and an ultra-slim design for tight spaces. It supports both app and remote control. Review highlights. This robot is great for small to medium windows. It offers strong suction and efficient cleaning, especially for users who want a compact solution. Pros: 8,000 pascals powerful suction. Ultra-slim compact design. 4-way ultrasonic spray. App and remote control. Number 4. ECOVACS WINBOT W1 Pro. The WINBOT W1 Pro features dual cross-spray technology and WinSlam 3.0 navigation for efficient cleaning paths. It offers 2,800 pascals suction and app control for convenience. It's designed for consistent indoor window cleaning. Review highlights. This model delivers reliable cleaning performance with smart navigation. It's a dependable option for everyday home use. Pros: dual cross water spray system. Smart WinSlam navigation. App control support. Reliable cleaning performance. Number 3. ECOVACS WINBOT W3 Omni. The WINBOT W3 Omni is a next-generation window cleaning robot with WinSlam 5.0 navigation and a triple spray system. It includes a multifunctional station for easier operation. It's built for advanced cleaning performance. Review highlights. This robot stands out for its smart navigation and efficient cleaning system. It handles large glass surfaces with ease. Pros: WinSlam 5.0 advanced navigation. Triple spray cleaning system. Multifunctional station. High efficiency on large windows. Number 2. AI Smart Window Robot. This AI-powered window cleaning robot features 5,000 pascals suction, dual spray system, and intelligent path planning. It includes edge detection and anti-drop safety features. It supports both wet and dry cleaning modes. Review highlights. This robot offers strong performance at a competitive price. It's versatile and works well for both indoor and outdoor glass surfaces. Pros: 5,000 pascals strong suction. AI smart path planning. Dual spray system. Anti-drop safety protection. Number 1. ECOVACS WINBOT W2. The ECOVACS WINBOT W2 Pro Omni is a flagship window cleaning robot featuring a multifunctional station and the ability to charge while working. It uses a triple nozzle spray system and offers 12-level safety protection. It's designed for premium, hassle-free cleaning. Review highlights. This robot delivers top-tier cleaning performance with advanced automation and safety features. It's ideal for large homes and high-rise windows. Pros: multifunctional smart station. Charging while working. Triple nozzle spray system. 12-level safety protection. You'll find the latest prices and best deals linked in the description below. Feel free to check them out. Now, as promised, let's talk about the best product overall. After comparing cleaning performance, smart features, safety, and overall usability, the ECOVACS WINBOT W2 Pro Omni stands out as the best window cleaning robot in 2026. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and check the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.